It is indeed a great and a historic moment in the history of this country, where the president's post is now being held by a tribal woman. And this was something that was in some ways inconceivable many years back. And today, the fact that this is happening shows how this great nation of ours is moving forward in the right direction. And I would like to thank all the people who had voted for our President, Madam Murmu, to become the President of this country. And also would like to thank the Prime Minister and the other leaders who have made this possible. And at this point in time, I also remember my late father, Shri P.S. Sangmaji, who was somebody who truly believed in this, and in a way was a person who laid the foundation for this idea and this thought. And today, to see it finally happen also brings a sense of satisfaction and joy to my heart. And I'm sure that if he was still alive, he would have been the proudest person in this country today. So once again, I thank everybody, and I wish our President, Madam Droupadi Murmuji, the very best in her career, in her work as she works as the President and leads this country as the President of India.